You see, let me tell you, Ndi Omenala, there is no difference between those of you that always buy Oji, Nzu, and Kai Kai to consult your ancestor gods, with all those Prophet Jeremiah's members that are buying the miracle water, the key to heaven, the stickers, and the all whatever the prophet is selling to them. The same way you believed on Oji, Kai Kai, and the Nzu is the same way they also believe on the miracle water. The same way you think that is working for you is also the same way they also think that is working for them. It's all about faith and belief. Matter of fact, you guys are not even doing better than any of them. As far as I'm concerned, you guys in Ndi Omenala are not doing better than those Christians, those Prophet Jeremiah's members. If you go to any church or any ministry today, you will see cars, you will see a lot of things from their members. But go to where you guys are doing your Omenala Isiagu. The only thing you will see there is keke, okada, and the shuttle bus. So when you even talk about people they are deceiving, you guys are the main people. All these your native doctors and your whatever traditional leaders are deceiving. Because as far as I'm concerned, all those things you guys are doing is rubbish. You guys are not benefiting from it. Most of you are doing your Omenala, but today, agwu kana piawu na agba. Also, wheelbarrow pushers. Ihe na-eju na ebe ekperima na-eme Omenala Isiagu. No single car can you afford there. If all those things you guys are wasting your money buying to consult your ancestors are working, you guys will be doing more better than Christians. You should be doing more better than all these Christians you guys are criticizing, since you're the one practicing the real religion. The same people that are paying thousands of nairas to native doctors to buy materials on their behalf to do okite, munyite, awere, and the rest for them are the same people criticizing Christians for buying olive oil, buying holy water, buying candle, and other things they believe on, that they are Ndi. The same group of people that are paying wine hundreds of thousands to buy items, buy material, buy biscuit, buy chicken, buy all the buyable, to take them to river to do orumiri for them, are still the same people criticizing Pastor Jeremiah's church members for buying miracle water and other things they believe that is working for them. What makes you guys think that you are more better than those Pastor Jeremiah's members? Like, what make some of you that has been ranting, supposing this Mumu guy, Verydarkman, since 2 days ago, that you are more better, or that whatever religious or whatever work you believe in your native doctor and there's a wine to do for you, and the item they used to do it is the real one than the ones those Prophet Jeremiah's members believed on. Some of you on this social media are misplaced priority. You are clapping your hand for Verydarkman, that Prophet Jeremiah is this, he's that, he is selling miracle water, he is selling this, he is selling that, deceiving people. But later you will go and pay thousands of naira to one Ekuke in Enugu State to buy some items, chicken, fruit, and other things, yam, goat, to go and waste inside the river in the name of they are doing orumiri for you. I could remember last time somebody was telling me that a particular wine is very popular on social on Facebook, that based in Enugu, do his wine work with 300,000. I was shouting. But if you see this lady, the way he always come to his Facebook page to criticize men of God that they do this, that they do that, you will think that all this nonsense they used to do on social media in the name of taking people to the river, bathing them, doing all sorts of things are just free, but not knowing that they are the main people milking our people in the name of tradition. And some of you that has been ranting, you believe so much on that when you go to Mmiri and do whatever, it will work for you. And when you visit a native doctor, he will prepare a charm for you, do awele, do okite, do all sort of things and give you, and do some sacrifice that it will work for you. But you are trying to tell people that believe on miracle water and other things, their faith accepted, that they don't know what they are doing. Those of you that are siding Verydarkman on this whole issue, trying to say some certain things against Prophet Jeremiah, has any of the Mercy Land ministry complained to you guys to help them to speak against all those things? Have any of them ever came to any of you before to complain that this thing our prophet is selling to us is fake, that is not working, or that the miracle that he is doing whatever is lies? None of you with the Verydarkman has ever called out all these native doctors that are buying out cars, building hotels, building mansions, doing things with money out to stop deceiving our people, stop doing this one, stop doing that one. You can't do it because you are scared of charms or whatever they will do to you guys. But once it has to do with a clergy or a prophet, all of you will jump out and be doing eyes like a thief, trying to prove a point. This one is that one, is this one that one. For Verydarkman, I told you yesterday that if care is not taken, some people we are kind of running their mouth and this and this and that and that. I said this yesterday and I'm saying it now. If you are not careful, you will learn. You will be the one that will learn, and you will learn in a hard way.